Thanks to Bob Earnshaw for lending me his Heroes 11 as my Hero 7 has broken.
And there's the estuary. There's the estuary even. The Craws Nest project. So what I'm going to do is I'll freeze frame it for you and you can have a read. And that's it's probably a reef or something under the sea that's separated the water.
It's a change. It'll be a change in the depth.
Yeah. Another river of some description. It's more like a canal. Stonehaven Boardwalk Fishing Heritage Project costs £45,858.67. Oh, another one of those sculptures. That's a dolphin one. Some kind of lobster with a dog's hat on its back, or a pig. No wonder I couldn't see the boats. Look at the size of them. After working over 50 years at sea, it's time for Twahanes to hang up their nets for the last time and enjoy their retirement years. Happy retirement 2022. In 1965, tragedy on the high seas off Montrose. Andrew Brown's shipmate killed the captain. He then sailed back to schooner named back to Stonehaven. He then sailed the schooner Ninth back to Stonehaven to see his mother one last time. This is novel in here. All the light shades are teacups and milk jugs, sugar bowls, and the clock's made of cutlery and utensils. Well found, Jenny.
Did I spot it first?
You spotted it first. Well done.
Very nice coffee.
Very nice coffee, very nice moustache. This little church here was built in 1896.
When was it built?
1896. And it would have changed today according to that weatherometer.
Yes. Old Stonehaven. Okay.
The townhouse of Old Stonehaven built 1790 and the Mercat Cross 1645, remodeled in 1887. The public barometer 1852 was a great benefit to the fishing community. Stonehaven Clock Tower. lifeboats. Right, I've not made it into Stonehaven because it's throwing it down.
Come on.
So we're going back to the caravan, which is at the other side of the bay over there, which you don't actually realise you go round in a circle, do you? So with that, I think we'll call this the end of the video for today. And if you've liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done already, it helps the channel grow. If you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification icon. And if you could share the video, that'd be ideal. Thank you very much. Goodbye.